Alright, here's a 2003 Lakewood Model 101. I saved this fan from going to the scrapyard, I think like 2 years ago or something. It was really dirty and basically locked up and had lots of other issues. No handle and knob. These are off of a parts fan, and that is actually not the right handle. This would have had the one that stopped right here and then the little small knob to go with it. It didn't turn out too bad. I actually end up using this fan most of the time in that window right there because it happens to fit in there pretty well. Back grill's pretty busted up, but that doesn't really matter. Typical small motor with the box fan style plug in the back. Alright, low. And medium. And high. Nothing too special. Just figured I'd do a video on it real quick since it's always sitting around here somewhere. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.